Hi, I'm Justine from ISO Matters. Welcome to the tip of the day as part of our 101 tips and tricks for systemizing your small business. So, today we wanted to talk about designing your processes for handing over. So, a process rarely fails in the middle. It generally fails when you're handing it over or you're the person that's receiving it from the handoff. So, to fix this or to address this risk, you can define what must be completed before the handover. So, what's the exit criteria? What are the things that you need to have done before you're handing it over to the next person? And then what has to be present when you're receiving it? So, what's the entry criteria? And the other thing that's really important is understanding who's responsible. So, who is responsible at each part of that process? If you capture the minimum information that travels with the process or the project, so what files, what decisions, what assumptions, any risks, any issues you've had, as long as you have all of those um, clearly documented, each of the team members can pick it up and then they know what is required of them and nothing gets lost. So when you hand over clearly, you remove delays, you're reducing rework, and you're stopping the who's got this ping pong that can stall some of your client work. So if you found today's tip helpful, then make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when the next tip lands tomorrow. Until then, have a great day. Bye.